Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today we're going to be showcasing our installation on the absolutely stunning classic Porsche Targa with the completely custom sound system. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Other than that guys, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. You've seen behind the scenes and also the finished product on this absolutely stunning custom sound system on this Porsche Targa. We do a variety of different systems, so if you didn't like this one, you wanted something else, you know exactly what to do, book an audio consultation with us. I'll sit down with you, I'll go through everything step by step. We'll design, spec and install your new custom sound system. Whether you want stock look or something custom, we do it all. So make sure you hit that subscribe button below, keep up to date with future videos, get some different ideas for you and your car. But best thing you guys can do is book that audio consultation. We'll sit down with you and go through everything in more detail. But thank you very much, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you soon.